Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a really fun, delicate design. It's about family picture time, at least for my family. We always take them in the fall. So this is something that I will be wearing for our family pictures this week. And what I am using as my base is INLP's Quicksand. Around my cuticles I have Queen's Liquid Latex. My stamping polish is going to be from Twinkle. I will have this link down below in the description box. I have an affiliate code with. Our design today is coming from two different stamping plates. The first one, which is going to be mainly all over our fingers, is from the Uber Chic Collection 15 Plate 03, and we're going to be using this design right down here at the bottom. And then the accent finger design is going to be coming from Life.Love 01 by Lena, and we are going to be using this pointed design right here. So to get started, you're going to want to lay down your base. This is 3 coats of that INLP Quicksand. And then while that was drying, I went ahead and went around it with my liquid latex tape. And now we can just move into our stamping. First, we are going to start off by using the Lena plate. And we are going to be doing our accent finger and our thumb with this design. Let's see if this will still pick up. It sure did. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is I'm just facing the point sideways and I'm lining the edge of the design up with the edge of my nail, and I'm centering that point the best that I can. And we're going to take it all the way across the nail like that. And when you place it on your thumb, it's going to look something like this, so you're going to have a little bit more of the design hanging off the edge right there. And then next we are going to use this design right here. This is from the Uber Chic plate. And this is just going to go over all the rest of our fingers. Okay, once stamping is complete, you're just going to go around and break the design away from the nail. And once that is complete, you're just going to take your tweezers and peel up your latex. Once cleanup is complete, I am just going over this with a regular top coat. This is I&M's Out the Door. And there is your finished design. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click that thumbs up button, and follow me on all my other social media sites. I have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, as well as Be Polished, Wear Polished, and a little superstition never hurt. We'll catch you guys later. Bye!